this video I will share with you how to check in online in Agoda. So if you want to check in online, follow me in this video. Go to your Agoda, your account, and then from here click this icon, and then from here you have two options: my trips. Click my trips here. So when you click my trips, you will see this option. I will translate to English, for example this one, and then you would see your trips, and all you have to do, go to my trips here. From my trips you will see all the trips states you have completed, and from here you can check your old state, or you can check in from here. Just click check in, and then you will see your online state for your trips. So guys, also you can check your cancellation option, and then you just click booking date. You can scroll by choose your booking date from this option, and then you can state. Also you have a flight option. You can check your flight option states. Just click search by booking ID, just write your booking ID here, and then you can check your state. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content. See you on another video soon, and keep watching.